In this video, we'll be talking about the A-B cut functionality within OptimumCNC plasma software, which allows the operator to perform a manual cut from point A to point B. To access it, head into the Advanced tab from the main screen of the software, and then locate the A-B cut section within it. Here we have the coordinates for 2 points, A and B, as well as the Set B and Cut A to B buttons. So first of all, we're going to be setting the point B. This can be done by either jogging to this point. Let's say I've jogged to some location and set this point, which will then record the coordinates. Or I can enter the coordinates by clicking on the X and Y values, for instance 10 and 5. Next, we can move over to the point A, or our starting point. Let's say we move up. And then once we have moved to this location, we can press the Cut A to B button. Confirm, and the system will begin the cut from point A to point B. Thank you for watching.